Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add expense in Zoho Books step by step. So for the first step, log into your Zoho Books account if you already have it, or if not, you can start your free trial here, and also you can sign in or sign up now from here. You can also select the language of your choice, and then after your account is opened, then click on the purchases options and then go to the expenses. If you are already using Zoho Books for your small business or end-to-end accounting, right, then you already know how to use it, but it's just a bit of information I'm giving to you, and I hope it will help. And let's get further into the video without yapping. Sorry. And then you can just hit the blue plus new button. I have never used Zoho Books, so I got no idea about what are these, but I am telling you all to do it if you are using Zoho Books, and then fill in the details, date, amount, and category of your choice. You can add receipts if needed and if you have it, and then click save and you're done. That's it, and that's all it takes to add expense in Zoho Books. And I'm glad that I'm able to express it step by step. And thank you so much for watching. If there was any mistake in my pronunciations or something, please don't forget to remind me about that. I'm totally new in this, so I hope you find this video helpful, and that's it. See you in the next video. Oh yeah, and wait, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you so much.